Hello guys, today I'm Paul, cooking some mac and cheese for you guys. And here is Billy, my assistant.
Hi guys.
And behind the camera, the cameraman, is Diego Ceja. And then here is
Hi.
my wonderful guest, Ryan Ledek. Okay, so all you need is the Kraft mac and cheese package, the bowl, the measuring cups, and right behind you, Diego, the microwave. Okay? Oh, and the sink, of course, but I'm pretty sure everyone has one. Okay, so put the cheese off to the side. You open the, I guess, some noodles you could call them. Oh, Billy, can you please go over there just to get ready for the microwave?
I got you. You go.
Okay, so you pour this in here, as you can see. Then you take this, a 1/3 cup, it's called. You take 2/3, so 2 of these. So let me just get that for you.
Don't you mean 2/6?
No. Yeah, no. Okay. So, okay, that's 1 cup. That's 1 cup. Okay, here's another one. Okay, that's 2. Okay, let's put that in there. Okay, as you can see, this is what it's gonna look like. Okay, now, Billy, can you please do the honors and put that in there for me?
So what you need to do?
Sorry guys, we had a little bit of a disruption there. Something happened with the camera. Okay, so now he's doing this with the thing.
So as you see, we put the bowl
Go, Billy.
inside the microwave, right in the center.
Oh my gosh, you might not need it. I am very sorry. There's something very wrong. As you see, he's doing this, and I'm gonna try to do this again. Okay?
So you
You
put
want
this
to
in.
show it again?
All right. You
We're gonna
take
try to make this work.
Take your cover. It doesn't have to be this big of a cover. We just use what we have. Put it right over the bowl.
And about this, I'm very sorry. It's not the food that's happening. It's not like we're messing up. It's just the camera. So, okay?
Put it right over.
You go for 3.5 minutes.
You
could do 4, but I mean it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, you have to close this tightly, alright?
Yeah.
And click.
And these are
Three,
available at
and
your
add
local
30
shopping
seconds.
mall. It's really easy to find. It's like, you know, in one of those mac and cheese aisles. That's all it is. But
So you have to wait for it to go.
I don't think there's anything you should be worried about for allergies, or if you're lactose intolerant or anything, you probably shouldn't even be eating cheese. But what is it? There's no like nuts or anything, so. Okay, while we wait, we're just gonna have a little bit of a break here, so yeah.